In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram error problem. So first thing you want to do is go to the settings on your phone, open the apps manager. As you can see, when you open the apps manager now right here, you would find all the apps that you have in your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find the Instagram app. Click on Instagram and then click on this option, and after that click on data usage, disable all these options, and after 3 seconds enable them back and go back. Click on storage, click on this option and this option right here, and after you clear data and clear cache, now all what you want to do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.